Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2025 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row.
This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, power windows. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.